You work hard. You grind every single day. You pay the bills and keep moving forward. But have you ever truly stopped and asked yourself a serious question? Is my job pulling me closer to Jannah? Or is it slowly leading me toward Jahannam? Not talking about obvious sins like dealing drugs or running a casino. I'm talking about the jobs everyone applauds, the ones people respect and admire, the jobs your parents proudly mention at family gatherings, clean desks, neat uniforms, impressive titles on LinkedIn. That's where the real test begins, because Shaitan is very smart. He's not trying to make. You throw your prayer mat away tomorrow. He works slowly, chips away at your deen piece by piece, until one day, can't even remember when you stopped caring. It starts with bending the rules just once. You tell yourself it's not my decision. I'm just doing my job. Everybody here does it, so you convince yourself it's fine. And Shaitan loves that excuse. Allah warned us clearly in the Quran, do not cooperate in sin and aggression. But Shaitan dresses sin in company logos, team lunches, promotions, and praise. And you tell yourself, it's just work. Let's talk about something that's everywhere today. Something many Muslims don't even question. It's any more interest. Riba, banking, finance, mortgages, credit cards. It sounds respectable. It sounds safe. But Allah didn't just warn about riba. He declared war on it. A war no human being can ever win. Yet every day, people sit at desks pushing loans that drown others in debt, convincing people to take credit they cannot afford. And debt doesn't just hurt numbers. It destroys families. The Prophet cursed everyone involved in riba, the one who takes it, the one who gives it, the one who records it, and the ones who witness it. There is no such thing as just paperwork in the sight of Allah. The system survives because of the middleman, and Shaitan keeps you comfortable in the chair, collecting the paycheck, ignoring the damage. Have you noticed how advertisements never show the truth? Perfect burgers, perfect bodies, perfect lives, selling people happiness that doesn't even exist, influencer reviews that are nothing, but paid scripts, making falsehood look beautiful, Allah says. Do not mix truth with falsehood, but deception is the foundation of this entire industry, editing lies by day, then praying by night. If your work invites others toward haram, you are part of that chain. So ask yourself honestly, who is really benefiting here? Not every paycheck is a blessing. Some paychecks are traps. Ask yourself this question. Will this income follow me into my grave? Allah promises a way out for those who fear Him. Guard your heart, guard your income. Because not every door that opens for you is opened by Allah. Some doors are opened by hands. You don't want to hold a Elakom wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.